Hey, everyone, what's going on? Hold on a sec, guys. What's going on? Hey. Like, going back to doing some more DDR reverse engineering tonight because why not? Because I really like figuring out how these games work and trying to figure out what ways I can figure out to break them, make them do stupid shit that they shouldn't. So, what's up? How are you doing, everyone? Just another day. It's nice when I get to sleep in on a Saturday. No responsibilities, no nothing. It's a lot of coffee I'm drinking, but I don't care. Woohoo! Yay. So, okay, let's go to. You see this disassembly, this project with Ghidra. Yeah. No, the tool has not changed, you lying cunt. No, I haven't, you lying cunt. No, God damn it, Ghidra. I did not change the tools or profiles, you fucking cunt. Hey, what's going on, Dak? Welcome to the stream. So as you can see, my Ghidra project is a bit of a mess because I decided to throw in every executable for the PlayStation 2 DDR titles I could. I figured out that sometimes Ghidra can be a little weird and doing the decompiling thing for certain parts of the game. So I decided to find the similar functions in other games. I'd probably find some parts of it decompiled better than others in other games. I don't know, that doesn't make sense, but it sounded better in my head. Hold on, let me just select the 7th mix. Yeah, that's what I wanted to actually do today. So, damn it, where are you, 7th mix? I really do need it to see if there's a dark mode for this version of Ghidra. I'm not at the latest version of it because of the lack of support for R5900 processors and all that. Oops, I did not mean to have that window open. I'm a didn't bulb sometimes. I don't know. It would also be nice to find if there's a version that can actually read the dwarf debugging data that is left over in the games. So, but even without that, we can still do a lot of stuff. That's looks like I think Dancing Stage Mega Mix was based off of Max 2, right? So let's see. Wait, did I yeah, I did mark in Dancing Stage Mega Mix at least where that is, where the games
DDR Max 2.
Where the game's debugging, the game's step data is loaded. Derp. So I realized something. Okay, I was shutting that up for a sec. I realized that there's a possibility that some of the functions in the US Extreme and Extreme 2 releases, like mini game, solo, like the iToy camera hand game, they might use repurposed versions of this function right here for loading step data. If I can confirm that, that means we'll already have the name of this function, which will actually set us very, very ahead in terms of being able to eventually decompile DDR Max 2 and these other versions of DDR. Which is great because ever since I got into this game, like, wow, 18 years ago this summer. Holy shit. And ever since I first touched a DDR pad, which is actually 19 years ago this summer, because I first played it the year before I got hooked on it. Ever since I got into it and really into it, I've always wanted to be able to customize the game, be able to change the theming of the game, add different modifiers, custom modifiers, add custom music and background videos and everything. And there was a lack of technology and a lack of knowledge at the time that hindered that. But over that time, things have definitely improved, especially with the free release of the disassembly and decompiling tool Ghidra, the discovery of debugging data, tools that actually let you get that debugging data back from the executables for all these DDR games and all that. So a lot of progress has been made. But also, there's been efforts by others, and that I'm definitely very thankful for. But enough of me blathering on about that. Let's see, where is 7th Mix? Alright, so there we go. Oops. Resume. Bruh. Scares me. Oh. Ah. I forgot that this was actually... Whoops. I forgot that that was actually already set as a breakpoint. Holy crap. A state in AC work, that flag is less than 300. Alright, I forgot what 300 was in hexadecimal. Pardon me. Some computer science major, right? If I can't remember how to do that shit in my head, right? Anyway, let's see here. 12C, 12C. I need to find it. Oh, there it is. Okay, so what happens if I change that? I mean, it probably won't do anything. I thought it would have something to do with how long this demo goes on, but it probably doesn't. So I'm an idiot. Okay, that. If you see me constantly setting values back to normal, it's because, well, sometimes these changes don't have an immediate effect, but other times I'll make a change, and the way it's done, PCSX2, this older version of it with the PS2 disk projects and decompile it, disassembly kind of shit added to it, will complain and crash. And sometimes it won't do this right away. It'll crash a little later, and it's the most idiotic thing. It pisses me off. Because I have to restart the emulator, I have to reload the project. If I didn't save, I'll have to find the memory address I was at and what I was manipulating. It's a pain in the balls. That's really all it is, but... Okay. It's too bad that the lesson mode function for initializing lesson mode seems to have been zeroed out, because it would have been nice to see if lesson mode, considering the other code and the graphics are still in the game, would load, and if so, what would happen. Okay. Ah, yeah, this is the function to load stage SSQ data. Woo! Actually, what I should do is find dwarf to CPP. I'll just go with the extreme US stuff. CS. A game solo. So this function, it's possible that this isn't the same or is probably very much different, but similar in other ways. But it's also possible that Ghidra did not read the function correctly, and the parameters are. Actually, no, I think I did mark that right. So, yeah. Oh, God, I got an idea. Oh, man. Give me a second, dude. I know you. I trust you. Oh, why the hell not? I know you. I trust you. Fuck yes. Okay, I want to see what happens. 783C, 783C, 783C. Oh, yeah. What happens if I set this value? Okay, this is going to probably break the game.
Are you ready? Let's step.
Okay, that didn't actually... That's weird.
You couldn't finish this stage.
Yeah, I'm breaking Max 2 again. Right now, I'm editing the part where the game actually loads the step data. I wanted to see what happens if I give it virtually no memory to actually put the step data into.
Final stage. Are you ready? Let's step.
I don't think I did that very well, though, because it still loaded successfully. You see, this is from the decompiler efforts. Actually, no, I think... Wait, so why in the hell is it still having no trouble loading step data if that memory region where all the step data is loaded is still set up correctly? That's weird. Yeah, that was a long-ass time ago. But those are good times. Windows 7 was pretty cool in its own right. God, at work I still have to use a computer that's not just using Windows 7, but only has 4 gigs of RAM and is running on a first-generation i3. It is torture. Holy fucking shitballs. If I could quote Spy from TF2, I'd go, kill me. At the end of the day, I jokingly, of course, say, and we're done. Off to hang myself. What is that? Oh, God. Yeah. But at work, it's family business, so my folks want me to keep Virtual XP open while I do everything else, and that takes up so much resource that if I even open one Chrome tab, my computer goes to a crawl. If I do anything else, my computer goes to a goddamn crawl. It's the most frustrating thing. And I don't even want them to replace the computer. I just want to find the highest, the more, just, I want to go as high as I can in terms of the socket, the CPU that goes in that particular socket for the first gen i3. I don't remember what it is off the top of my head, and maximize the RAM. And sure, compared to today's standards, it would still be ancient, but it would still be a lot better than what I have now. It would be a lot less frustrating. But that's another story. I'm not here to bitch and moan. I'm here to make the game break and do stupid shit. Okay, where is this function being called? Oh, yeah. I've forgotten that I've already kind of started investigating this part of it all too. Holy shit. It's been a long time since I broke Max 2 like this. let's let's make sure that I'm actually messing with a part that is selected in normal game stage play. And I was. Good. Get SSQ data by. I don't think this is the actual name of the function, but based off of all the naming convention. Another. Yeah, and yet another. And sometimes when I would just do the same game and shit over and over and over again, I would just be like, all right, this is getting kind of dumb, so I wanted to reflect that in my title, so that's why I did that. And doing a Windows destruction stream, that would be fun. I could get a nice VM going and with Windows, with whatever version I want to mess around with, and that would be fun. I should do that sometime. What's this? Seat count. Work. Actually, I should make this more descriptive. Whoops, no. Probably not this stream, but I do want to eventually. I'm a little hesitant because of how recent some of them are, and even though I feel like with the financial troubles that Konami is going through, they've got bigger things to give a crap about. I'm a little nervous, I admit, but I probably will get to it eventually. Kind of hard to break a habit, especially when you have so many versions that have on the PS2 versions that have so much debugging data to work with. But yeah, eventually I will get to them. Oh, I think on my, I don't know if I have it on my current channel or on my old channel, but I kind of did manage to do that. I have sort of. I transplanted Max Period from the Japanese version of Extreme into Max 2, and I think as well as A from from Extreme all the way into Max 2 as well. But there was something I overlooked, and the song cut off early. But everything else worked. The music worked. The step chart worked. Oh wait, this is the function of. That's weird. They kept having to it decompiled. That was weird. Hold on. What is this thing getting? I don't know what the hell is being loaded here. I honestly have no idea. What in the fuck is this? Oh, wait, Oh, wait, I'm an idiot. I could just do this. Oh, wait, yeah, this loads the background scripts. Oh, fun. And it's just gonna rename this. There we go. Now we're starting to actually get this kind of figured out. Kinda. I mean, I know this is not the most glamorous part of messing around with a game, but it definitely is something that's absolutely a necessity. I wonder what this. Okay, I'm gonna. Is this a memory address? Alright, I'm gonna clear out all these breakpoints and see what gets messed around here.
Let's step.
Nothing.
Have you got a cold?
And that is why Taz will always be the best DDR announcer in my opinion.
Final stage. Are you ready? Go toward the full
Well, it's not complaining about buffer or look aside. Actually, interestingly, I've wanted to get lesson mode working again. Problem is, it looks like the function responsible for initializing lesson mode has kind of been zeroed out. So you have the function definition, but you have actual nothing inside the meat of the function. I think that providing the size isn't different. Well, let me rephrase that. I could find, since lesson mode data's in quite a few of these games, the initialization function in another game, and if it's the same size, maybe I could just try transplanting that and
DDR
seeing if
Max
that works,
2.
because the other functions in lesson mode are still there. The graphics are in there as well, etc. I know I keep bouncing around from one subject to another in reverse engineering these games. It's like ADD on drugs, which shouldn't be. Yeah, I remember I saw that. That was so cool. I wonder if there doesn't seem to be a solo flag, so I think by the time the console versions came around, they might have stripped that out. But it's always worth investigating further to see if that notion is correct or not. I'm trying, probably failing miserably, but trying to take a quasi scientific approach to it, not assuming anything is correct and all that shit. Oh wow, this okay. So if these two functions load the background video script and the step data, then these two must initialize them, because this one here initializes the step data. This must initialize the other thingamabobber. Let's see. I'm gonna hold on. It's load slash. And this one, song, not SSW, yeah, fucking dumbass. There we go. Whoops, let me fix that. Data. That's a good question. I would not be surprised if there were quite a few. I was actually looking through Fourth Mix, the arcade version, and the PS2 version, the PS1 version, and the and the old PC version, and definitely was recycling of code there, and it makes sense. I think, rather than redoing everything from scratch every time, just just recycling and modifying it definitely seems to be the sensible thing to do. And what they did, I've started a little bit of an Excel spreadsheet with all the files found in all the debugging data. I sorted them all by folder, and then I have the function definition and then the game it's from, and then I can sort them. It'll show all of the Onimode boot functions together, for example, with all the games. It'll also let me if I filter them out to have distinct file names, it'll give me a very solidified file structure, folder and file structure for developing the game. It's a pain in the ball sack though, but it's good to know what functionality in the game we have defined by the debugging data, at least somewhat. Yeah, I think I've found, but yeah, this is where the game loads and yeah. Is that the memory address where the stage BG data is loaded? Let me see.
Let's select the style. Single play. Select difficulty. Select music. Final stage.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Oh, that notion was incorrect. God damn it. Ball sack. Yeah, there's definitely. Alright, let's see. This one has to do with the BG data. Does this have to. An empty function that just returns. Boy, that's fucking wonderful. Ooh. Wow.
DDR Max 2.
Without getting into politics at all, I have to say that is something that I definitely did not see that coming. Actually, if I can back on topic with the DDR reverse engineering, where is it? Music, games, Bmani extracted data. The guy who figured out that solo mode functionality was still in Max, the arcade version, also found this. I'm surprised he hasn't put it up on the cutting room floor yet. Where is it? Take a look at this. Leftover source code. Leftover source code, 4th mix era. And I'm really hoping I can utilize or try to utilize some of this in some way. Let me just find something. Look at this. I think this is an enumeration that. Good question. I actually looked at as many other versions of the games I can, and so far it hasn't really been promising. I looked at like the Disney DDR PS2 version, and any data that might have been in there was stripped out already, which really sucks. It depends. See right here, for example, in the 4th mix leftover code, these enumeration. This looks like the names from an enumeration or an enum that would probably be for the GameW state variable, and if that's correct, this would absolutely be a big thing in terms of making it a lot easier to read any output, because here we go. We got warning, the Konami logo, title screen, demo, ranking lists, all the screens in the game that have their own distinct state in that GameW data structure. Okay, let's see what's in here. Wonder how much. Look at this. We've got functionality for graphic loading, I think. I'm still trying to figure out main.ac.from 382.local.main and all that shit. What that is for. It looks like a data structure with many different layers. Data structures in nested data structures within data structures, like nested dolls. You know, the old little nested doll. You open it up, you got another one inside, and so on and so forth. It almost looks like that in terms of that long chain of data structure members. Hold on, I gotta try something. Oh no. All in all open documents. Come on, load, damn you. Nope. I was gonna see if there was anything gonna see if this code was recycled as well. That would be really cool if I could find this kind of stuff. I look for hard constant values. And distinct sets of bitwise and logical operators, because those distinct patterns will definitely be very helpful in finding anything that is recycled. God, ball sacks. Just load the fucking file already. Jesus Christ, game. No, not game. Sheesh. Actually, that reminds me. Where is it? For my Ghidra project, which already has all the PS2 games, maybe I should just load all of the System 573 executables as well. They're all in game.dat, but they're not at the start of the file. You have to actually go a pretty decent way to find the PS2. What do you mean? The PS2 header to this. Oh my god. Debug mode. That reminds me, I've wanted to find where this is in fourth mix. Debug mode. What does that like do? Does it just display all these stats on screens? Does it let you ignore failing and all that kind of crap? I really want to find out if this reference string still has use. Import file. I hate that you can't click on here to get back folder, go back in folders, you know? Okay, arcade, executables, 573, actual executable. Are you fucking kidding me? Ghidra. Oh wait, I'm probably not using a version that has the plugin I need to read PlayStation 1 games. Let's see here. Yep, that's right. I don't have that. on this version of it. Let me see. I think it was 10.1.1 or 10.2.2 where I actually did that. Where I could actually do that. I would imagine, though, in order to actually do anything meaningful, you'd have to have the rest of the game's resources and everything loaded. Damn. Let's see. Extensions, Ghidra. Nope, that's not it. Ghidra 10.1 extensions. Aha! I have no idea if it will work with this version. But it's worth a try. It would be so nice if I could have in this project the same PS1 and PS2 mixes. I think Marvelous was actually pretty easy. In that you just had to set a simple flag, but adding the graphics, that was a little bit more of a feat, but I'd imagine what they could do is take the same file, cobble onto the end the slow and fast, and then modify the functions or even shift it around if they had to. So to accommodate for the extra checking that would be needed. That way you could use the same graphics, the offsets are the same for the original judgments and everything. And then all you have to do is just work with what's after all that. I don't know. I'm talking out of my ass, but that's just what seems plausible for me in terms of doing that. But it'd be interesting to see what else that you can do. I keep bouncing around like a moron from one subject to another in this. That's interesting. What is this thing? Where is this thing? Where the hell is this thing even referenced elsewhere in this function? Oh wait, I'm R16. Come on, son of a gun. Aha. Son of a bitch witch. Oh yeah, this looks like it has to do with the timing data. Actually, now I'm going to just see where this is called because I want to find where the step data is displayed. Maybe find modifiers and figure out ways to manipulate that. That would be fun if I could have a speed mod that is so slow you have the entire step chart on screen. That would be insanely stupid, but kind of funny. Balls. Where is it? Yeah, 0.05. Oh my god. Oh wait, I wasn't even in the correct file. That's the problem with having so many raw assembly disassemblies. I'm gonna definitely get content ID claim for this song. I've had that happen before, even though it's a Konami original and not like a Universal or Warner Music song. But fuck it. All right, let's see. Hold on, let me find the definition of this data structure. Man, I really should have listened to this song in its entirety before. God damn, is it catchy. Alright, let's see. So, where's that timing? Chart timing. So this value has a range of -16 to 16 that you can set in game, but since it's a single character, its assigned value has, I think it's -128 to 127, positive 127 I mean, which means you can do all sorts of really fucking stupid things. Yeah, hexadecimal 11 is 16, so it's 17, -17 to 17. So let's do that. God. I hate that I'm gonna need this fucking magnifier. It's not my fault though that the person who did PCSX2 disc decided to use the tiniest fucking font in the world. Ugh, balls. Whoops. I am far. I think what was it? Far side or nearsighted? I think it was nearsighted. Always had crap where I needed glasses. All right. So if it's negative. So now I set it to the minimum value of that can be had here. And now I'm going to set it to the maximum. All right, let me get this out of the way. Nope, that's not it. Look at that. The timing of this is going to be absolutely retarded. I don't have any qualm in saying it like that. I don't give a shit what anyone says. plus colon, no, plus semicolon 0. Plus semicolon, no, plus less than sign 0. Less than sign, minus semicolon 9. There we go. I think that timing was largely frame based, but at least that was the conventional wisdom I've always known, as opposed to strictly literal like time. Right. Hold on a second. I want to see how dumb is this gonna look. Oh yeah, that's kind of dumb, but hold on. Let's go back to options. If I did it right, then now this value should be the absolute minimum value, and we'll be getting the arrows coming up really early. This is gonna be dumb.
Music. Final stick. Are you ready? Stick. Wow.
It's coming early, all right. It's too bad that it's restricted to a single byte. But the value range is expanded so much. I think one guy on ZIF asked me to try and figure this out because he needed a wider range to be able to deal with input lag on other devices, something like that. But I think this should be enough. But imagine if I could use more than a single byte. Imagine if I could set it so like the first arrow doesn't show up until after the song is finished playing. That would be insanely stupid, but oops, no, dick sticker. I did not want to do that. There we go. Now it's back to normal. All right, so let's do this. Well, look. Okay, that's not the options I was really looking for. I actually wanted. No, I don't want to go into there. Okay, what I really want to do is figure out the speed mods and shit. That would be fun. So, a long time ago, I figured out the training mode music options. So, yeah. Oh, I could figure out speed mods for the normal game stage. That would be fun, though. But for the moment, let's just go into training mode and kind of mess around with this stuff. Just because it would be fun as hell. See how slow we can get the game to go. Music speed. Let's see if there's actually a cap. Oh wait, I'm a dingleberry. I wanted to do that in here. And then I can actually move around the function. Move around the disassembly from function to function. That would be interesting to see. I did mention before how I thought there had been some little remnants like in error messages like invalid security cassette and that kind of shit. That would be interesting to investigate though, yeah. Dividend and +1 the modulus of YOLO of the two values. All right. Okay, that didn't do what I thought it would. Ball sacks. Oh wait. Wait, what? Wait. I just saw the bar start. That's why I just meddled with. I thought I meddled with the speed here, but I guess I didn't. You know. Wait. Let's see. Just separate all of these into half word values. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. Here we are. Oh God. Oh shit, this is retarded. What the hell? Holy fuck balls. Something about the way this song sounds slowed down is kind of cool, you know? Maybe I'm weird. I don't give a shit. Yeah. The game is struggling to show everything. Oh my god. Yes. It does sound like a remix you did in third mix. Third or fourth mix. Sounds like the Chipmunks. That's how high pitched that was. Holy shit. Holy shit! It can go even higher in terms of the pitch? Holy hell! I don't know what it is. I really have no idea why. Okay, that was not expected. I have to go incrementally, see how far I can push this before it stops pitching up. I think I found that hexadecimal 90 seems to be as high as you can go before it will either not play sound or go the other way around and pitch down. Oh god. Max 80 to 60. That would be insane. I think your feet would fall off, if not break into another dimension. What happens if I do that? Oh, the music slows down. Wow, that's different. Wait, did it just go back up? What? Or did it go down again? It went down. Up. Looks like when I set the bar start value to 0. Let me just use frame skip. What the fuck is it doing? That is so weird. I have no idea. What if I set the value to just 1, not 0, and nope, same thing. It does this weird thing where the target arrows are just kind of spazzing out, inflating and deflating like the universe can, and continually big banging. I know that sounded kind of weird. Give a shit. This is with turbo enabled in the emulator. What in the actual fuck is going on here? Oh, something else has happened now. Okay, make that nothing. Uh-oh. It insta-ended. Wait. Whoops. No. 7 FFF. Yep. Okay, let's... What the fuck? Look, you see that? What the hell happened to that graphic? Oh, options. This is something I really wanted to... Actually, before I even mess around with that, let's get the bar start back to normal. Okay, so bar 1 is hexadecimal 1001. 1002, 3, 4 is 5, 5 is 6, etc. Okay, so the finish 7 FFF. Oh yeah, I just noticed that the scroll bar got all fucked up. Well, whoa. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm a tard. I messed that up. The bar end is 64. Nope. And now let's set the Hold on. Did this uh-oh. Oh, balls, it didn't work. Son of a bitch witch! What the hell? $128 misses. Okay, let's go to the options. That's very likely. Oh, come on. What's this fucking... Alright, select options. Okay, let's see what this is. A read breakpoint. That's odd. So that's interesting. I wonder what these. So this looks like it's something that is pertaining to the speed mod. Hold on, let me retype this. Whoops, no. It. Hold on, was that supposed to happen? That's weird. When I changed this, all of this disappeared. That's supposed to happen? Is Ghidra supposed to just up and remove parts of its decompiler functionality like that? Six, eight, fives. The training mode speed modifier itself. 68. Zero. Oh, I'm an idiot. You know what I could do? I could look at dwarf to CPP outputs for other training mode kind of functions. At least for games that are based off of Max 2, like Megamix, if any of it exists. And it looks like it doesn't. So, sucks to that idea. See if 6 mix. No, 6 mix. Japanese 6 mix didn't have that. Wait. A standard for debugging data. Interestingly, I bet you if someone actually did come after me for doing this, I'd have a pretty strong fair use case in that the symbol data that I've read is in plain text, and it shows you some of that debugging symbol data gives you the compiler, and the documentation for the CodeWarrior, MetroWorks CodeWarrior stuff is open on their website, so you can use that to find the debugging data formats they use, and it's easy to then find the standard because it's open. Documentation is everywhere for Dwarf. I'm not going to worry about that now. But yeah, it's a debugging format. Data format, rather. And, it seems a little overwhelming at first, but it's really not that bad. And you're talking to someone who gets overwhelmed pretty easily. I'm sure that there's some debugging data that has training mode functionality. Bullshit! Windows, you lying cunt. Jesus Christ. Whoops. SRC. Brain. That's why. Whoops. Let me do list. Oh, so I only had one train folder actually found. Damn. Okay, let me just see what game this comes from. Oh, it comes from the. Hold on a sec. Windows, your UI. Oh yeah, it comes from the Extreme 2 prototype. But I don't think much has really changed at all in terms of the basic bare bones functionality. So I'm sure we'll be able to use some of the data structures in here. That has nothing to do with what I want to look at. Play work, that's not it. Not it. Wait, maybe that is. That's awesome, dude. Seriously. He's hoping it's coming along nicely. Hold on a sec. What? Wow, maybe this is. Right. Speed. Boost. Fun. Oh no, that's the song. We that's interesting. What the hell? Boost, freeze, and scroll. Yeah, it looks like the layout here is definitely different than. Unless this isn't even the right data structure, which I'm an idiot. I mean, I know that it might be a little bit of a stretch. I'm really hoping that there's something in here we can use. Or at least get this stuff kind of figured out. The panel disp. Okay. Let's go to. Okay, that's definitely very interesting. I want to find that function in Extreme 2. Alright, time to depart from Max 2 for just a tiny bit. That's interesting. Come on, game.
Dance Dance Revolution.
Whoops. Okay, that's interesting. This was not set as code. Oops, I'm an idiot. Anyway, it doesn't matter. This. Well, that was actually kind of a letdown. Training check seek panel disp didn't do what I thought it would, which was do something related to displaying the arrow panel stuff on screen. which that would have been so cool. That would have been. Wait a second. Maybe. No, I think I looked at the right function before. Nope. Ball sack. Okay, let's close everything in here. Extracted data, dwarf to CPP. CPP? That sounds dirty, doesn't it? No comment. I didn't miss a whole lot, except messing around with game training modes, music speed, and all that stuff, which was kind of funny. Oh wait, this is probably what I wanted. It's not this one, is it? This. Okay. Whoop. Go here. Whoops. Oh, I did that again. God damn it. Okay. Up. I guess when it says, wait, seek panel. Oh yeah. It's because it's showing the sequence panels on the side here. Oh, that. Duh, that makes sense. That makes perfect sense, actually. Ugh. D60. Is that it? No, that's not it at all. God damn it, Ghidra, are you retarded? Okay, let's see what happens if I mess around with how much these shifts are supposed to be. No, store what? Okay, I need the magnifier again. I hate that so much. Yeah, that's up. That's not right. Look at that. I don't think that's supposed to be a quad. I don't think that's supposed to be a quad at all. Yep. Happens if I. It looks like it's just for this. It's the panel display is for literally just in the option display thing, you know? That's kind of fucked up looking, isn't it? Fine. There we go. That's why I modified that made it look so weird. Okay, let's modify. Look at that. The shift value is definitely having some funky impacts. I love it. Look at Whoops. That's not supposed to happen. Oops. I think I just killed the data. Hold on 1 minute, folks. All right. Let's see what this does. Doesn't seem to that this had any appreciable effect. Now those shifts, on the other hand, well, that really that was awesome. Let's go. No. That's a no idea if I'd be able to do that. Wait, maybe I can. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can affect how big or small the displayed arrows are. Let me just find this. One downside of having this on. Let me no. $370. What if I change that to a 110? Doesn't look like I did anything with that. Either that or the changes were so small that. Wait, something doesn't look quite right. Does it? Or am I being dumb? Something looked a little off with that arrow. Something looked a little weird with that outline. Am I off? Or did something, maybe that was from just the arrow normally looking that off. Ball sack. Where's that magnifier? Come on, magnifier, get back here. Asshole. God. I think I could try. Let's see if I can get that to happen. Make the arrows in the background bigger. I copied the instruction over here just so that if I really mess this thing up, I can just fix it easily. Whoa. I think I just killed. Oh, what? What's going on with that? Alright, that looks fine. Can I? Whoa. That's kind of trippy looking. Look at the top of the screen right where it says training mode. Oh, whoa. What? Look at that. Look at that. Got a long, tall, and colorful. Mr. Long, Tall, and Colorful has joined us in training mode to play some DDR. Oh wait, I just killed the freeze arrows, didn't I? Oh my god, that was really weird looking. Oh man. What happens if I mess with this? Doesn't look like anything significantly interesting. Uh-oh. Well, looks like, well, something got really fucked up there. Oh, I know what would make this easier to read. Duh. What am I, dumb? Why am I not? I should really be labeling these functions. It would make everything so much easier to read in the disassembly. Why am I not doing that? Why am I making this harder for myself without any reason? Like, seriously. There we go. And this number. Check secret panel disp is next. Alright, let's get this. I always like to keep the original function address in here in case I ever need to look it up, or if I'm looking at a disassembly that I've exported to an assembly file and I'm looking at in Notepad++, so I can find my way around in that. Probably seems like a silly idea, but that's just what I do. And that's one already labeled. Freeze arrow disp. Alright, that's what this next one is. Alright. I'm a little bit of a stickler with how I label all this shit. Oh yeah, I could keep. Oh, I'm an idiot. I just realized that I could just keep the OX, that precedes the hexadecimal value, and Ghidra would still take me to the right address, which makes it a little easier in terms of just pasting in the address as a comment. I'm, I'm so used to truncating that needlessly. Now I have to unlearn that habit. do, 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 do. Display bar numbers. I can talk, I swear. I'm not that dopey. Sometimes. Whoops. Oh god, why did I do that? No, I don't want that. There we go. Step zone. Let's see what kind of damage we can do to the game if we mess this up. Come on, game. Ew. don't do that to the game. What did it ever do to you? I have to be careful when it comes to any. Uh-oh. Let's see. Did I crash the game? Please tell me I just crashed the game. I have to be very careful when it comes to modifying any values that deal with the stack pointer, because it's very easy to make the game crash. And then this version of PCSX2, as a result, is very easy to crash because for some reason it likes to just crash when the game encounters problems instead of just having the game crash and not. Like there wasn't really much in the way of proper exception handling, which is a bit of a pain in the ass.
Dance, dance, revolution.
Okay, so I know not to touch that because of the stack pointer that nearly screwed us up badly. The numbers don't look any different, or the step zone doesn't seem to look much different at all. Maybe I just haven't modified the right parts of it to really screw with it, though. Oops, no, I didn't. Ball sack. Like, do you do I want like the arrow panels to be like recessed relative to the non-directional arrows? Even if very slight. Oh, definitely recessed. I mean, when definitely helps with, I feel, or at least for me, with knowing if I'm actually stepping on an arrow or like an idiot stepping on something else. Plus, this is also a stickler when I do my or want to design my home pad. I want to make it so that if I do get to go to the arcades again, if I finally do build this home pad, I want it to be as close to the pads I'll experience, which will probably be the older types with the even slightly recessed arrows. I don't know if that made sense. Yeah, exactly. Yes. Color lookup table. Oh, there's a color lookup table. Oh wait, maybe what I'm modifying isn't is read only. weird. Man, that is one of those things where I would still be in awe myself too if I had that hallelujah moment. Oh wow. These Yeah, this is the color lookup. Wow, I gotta jump here. That's amazing. That is absolutely awesome. Holy cow, man. Wait, what happened if I just shift this to make it a shift of 1 instead of 3? It didn't look like it did anything. Alright, shift left logical. Oh, that's a 1. Really didn't look like this did shit to modify the colors. I'm assuming that it's the color lookup table is for the arrows themselves. Let's everything still looks normal. Well, that's a pain in the ass. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Oh, God, I'm an idiot. I keep forgetting that there's always a check function before that the function that does seem to do the bulk of the actual work that we want to mess with. So let's do that. Let's go here. No, that didn't do shit. Interesting. Maybe I should just actually look at this thing. What it does. That's annoying. Oh, wait. You know what I can do? Since I can't modify those values. Maybe I can modify the part of the function that modifies those addresses. There we go. Whoops. God damn it. Nope, that didn't do shit. Ball sack. I do like it. It's nice and clean, and there's something kind of polished about them in a good way. like, but still, like the core graphics are still for the arrows and everything still how they should be, but the theme itself just feels so much more refined and polished and really clean, and I like that. Uh, uh, wait. What happens if I change this? Let's do it. Uh-oh. I just crashed the game again. Shit. No, I didn't. The game's not crashed. Oh, that was good. What happens if I set this to 0? Well, it looks like nothing seems to really happen. Could you imagine freeze arrows? I wonder what it would be like if freeze arrows actually had the timing based coloring of the note skin. On one hand, it would look kind of cool, but on the other hand, I bet you it would make it a little confusing for some people. Okay, let's do this. Well, damn. Well, damn it. Oh, so there's another do a while loop inside. Okay, no. Let's do this. Oh, there it is. Copy this. But in the case that shit hits the fan, you can just. Oh God. What the what the hell is with those arrows? Oh, that would actually be really cool. Maybe one day we'll be able to get there. Oh my God, look at it. What is with those arrows that look like exactly LSD? Wait, I gotta see if we can update the rate of animation. Oh my God, that would be insane. Oh, imagine if the animation here could be made to run off the actual BPM of the song. Imagine how trippy that would look on something like Mac 300. Oh shit. Whoa, wait, the other arrows are changing too. Wait, no, they're not. I'm an idiot. Never mind. So what the hell? I really have to be careful to not screw around carelessly with anything involving the frame pointer or stack pointer, because that is when the emulator just becomes the bitchiest. You know? I would like to see if I can speed that animation up. Make it look like it's running on cocaine or something, you know? Oh. I wanted to go out of this to the song select, not back to the main menu, you fucking cock. It looks like this. It's the quarter notes. Alright. I think we've got some more things I definitely want to fuck with. Okay, where? And the decimal value. Aha! Nope, that didn't do shit. Son of a bitch witch. And I just killed the animation completely. Look at that. No arrow flashing at all. What happens if I revert them? Oh, they start working again. Oh. Wow, look at that. It looks like something happened to the rest of the screen. Oh, wow. Wait. Interesting. Three. Okay, let's do this. Oh, that didn't seem to have any discernible impact. Bummer. And I killed the animation again. That is interesting. I wonder what's happening. Oh, I'll be right back though. I really gotta pee. Alright, I'm back. See what we can do here. Really gotta find what to, it would be interesting to see if we can figure out the rate at which these arrows animate. Hold on. I don't even think I've finished labeling all these functions. Alright, let me just... Oh, I keep forgetting to get out of the bad habit of leaving off the leading OX or 0x rather. Seek. Wait a second. Oh, that's odd. Or rather, that's interesting. That there are two functions with the same name, except the first is that has a uppercase T and the other has a lowercase t. Konami, what else can I say? Konami, just fucking Konami. Okay, let's see. Extreme 2. I need to do that. I really should also label all the functions in here as well. Apparently would make it easier to find my way about. So let's modify. What happens if I change this? Doesn't seem to have any discernible effect. That's annoying. Wow, I didn't even know that the sequence kind could have those kind of values. -8, -7. Really, what the hell? Yeah, it's a lot of moaning and shit. Oh, wow. I just took a look at the variables that are declared in here. Yeah, the original I liked a lot better too. Music info pointer, a sequence, an SQ sequence, and a sequence end bar, start bar. Sequence buffer. Count. Now the question is, which of these other values is the SSQ pointer? Which of these is the music info pointer? Hey, Supersonic, what's going on? Training load sequence TH. I don't know what that stands for. They do have some very odd abbreviations sometimes, not gonna lie. It's going alright. Well, as alright as it can be. I slept most of the day away like a dum-dum. But it was pretty enjoyable. How was your day? Hopefully it was not bad at all. Hopefully it was enjoyable. That's what Saturdays are supposed to be, I think. Wait, where is that? Okay, let's change. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, so I did the same. Oh, that's definitely good. God, I hate when I have a leg itch at the most inconvenient time, you know? Don't you just hate that? Anyway, that's... I wonder if this has any impact. Aha! That sound. That sound when you go from... Sometimes the sound just sounds so distorted from the emulation of this. Holy shit. That's a tough one because there are a few I like. I like the original. I like Love Mix. It's kind of fun, especially when you play it solo mode, 6-panel. Paranoia Hades. It's fun. Of course, Paranoia Survivor Max. Another one I really like, just for the pure difficulty and challenge it presents for a jackass like me. Hold on, let me see what this... Whoops, let me clear all breakpoints. I love how each difficulty, the bars are different colors. Beginner's the blue, light is yellow, standard is purple, and heavy is green, and I assume challenge is kind of more of a darker purple. Purple. Hmm. Those are all good mixes too. I have to. I mean, the other ones I listed are definitely some of my favorites. But those aren't bad mixes. Those aren't bad versions either. No. Let me see what this does. Let's see. Oh yeah, shifting it. Well, that didn't do anything interesting. Wow, those still look like they're on an acid trip. Oh god. Shift right. What if I modify that? Wait. Yeah, that didn't do anything noticeable at that moment. Let's. Piss. Ah, piss. Let's see exactly what this thing is doing. So the sequence variable, I can just rename this. Seek. Now, that's interesting. Where is that music info pointer supposed to be used? I wish I had more of a clue. Let me try just changing variable types. Whoops. Nope, that wasn't it. Duh, I'm an idiot. I shouldn't have done that. That, of course, that variable was not going to be for the music info pointer. Dump. R6. That's actually kind of irritating. Got the sequence figured out, but this function has this SQ standard pointer for the SSQ data. Oh wait, did I not define it for this? Oh, I'm derp-tarded. Okay, let me parse the C source. Extreme 2. Where are you? 2. Okay. Of course you always find a fucking problem, Ghidra. Are you fucking retarded? Ghidra, Ghidra, Ghidra. Always fucking annoying. But we got SQ standard that we're looking for. Try this again. Nope. Wait a second. There has to be a reference. Oh, it has to do with taking the base pointer and add the right amount of data to get into the structure to get the data member it's looking for. The pointer arithmetic here is usually a good clue as to what data structures go here. But shit, now I'm stumped. Ah. This is starting to stump and even probably a little frustrate me. Wait. TR load seek. Wait, I thought I already defined that function. Okay, so we know that's not it. Ball sack. Bar 6. Nope, that's not it either. Shit. God damn it. Oops, I forgot to undo the other one. Oops. I know it's getting me a little annoyed. Too hot in here. Usually I'm too cold in here. But I actually forgot that I It's actually pretty damn warm out late, at least compared to how it's been since it's now what, mid-March. Anywho, uh, fuck you, Ghidra. Seriously? Piss off. Yeah. There's no long needed in this. So why is Ghidra thinking that this is supposed to be a long? And why is it that when I retype it, it just completely creates a new variable? It shouldn't do that. It should just retype the fucking variable I'm working with. Or 6? Nope. I'll figure this out eventually. But anything that will help me with getting the loading of game SSQ data more defined, in my opinion, is always a good thing. Okay, let's get G game W. Looks like this is the. Okay. Oh wait, I am an idiot. I forgot to do one thing with this function here. That is, I forgot to put the actual address of the function as a comment. I always like to do that. Ooh, speed table. Wonder what that. Okay. I know, I keep bouncing around back and forth and back. I really wish I could define, I wish Ghidra would give you the option of formatting this as a number, not as a character. Hmm. Probably gonna be problematic because any of the music I play, I'd have to continually mute for the DDR stuff I'm doing. That's interesting. I already unlocked that version of Absolutes. Oh. Oh wait, that is the original Sexy Planet. Which song is that?
I can't say I'm really fond of that song either. Honestly, when it comes to this song, I wish they had just used the Beatmania 3 version. It's not a bad song at all. I think it's really catchy. I'm not talking about Chaos. Alright, so what happens if I set it's a Wow. Anyone else notice that? How the song faded out after the preview music looped? That was weird. Aha. Got some more. More breakpoints being set, but it doesn't seem to be having any impact on loading the step data. Modifying the sequence kind. Maybe I just need to mess with stuff some more and figure it out from there what the hell I'm actually trying to do here. That's interesting. Wait a second. I thought this was something else. Damn it. I thought this had to do with modifiers, but it didn't. Unless I missed something. Let's see, is there... Looks like, oh yeah, there's definitely a bunch of function pointers. Right now my goal though is just define shit and Probably find a way to mess with step data. What happens if I change this bit shift over from 12 to 23 bits? Probably just clear out the whole value. Don't want to go back to the main menu, you cocky game. Jesus Christ. For a second I thought it broke the game. What the hell? Anyone else hear that? Oh wait, maybe I just set it to... Did anyone else hear that? The song just looped. That was weird, wasn't it? Let's see if it happens again. I wonder if that's a bug in training mode or something, the result of something I did. Well, I think it's something we did. Because now the music's not loading at all. Whoops. I broke it. Ah, it's pretty shite, I know. I'm just doing this one-handed, too. That's... Yeah, it's pretty shit. I don't expect anything good, especially when I'm trying to do this one-handed. But my goal really wasn't to play, so I played a lot longer than I tried to, you know? I was actually surprised I was getting any Marvelouses at all, to be honest. Okay, so we know that this definitely impacts the music playback. That definitely fucks with it. Let me make a little comment here about that. Music auto playback. There we go. I wonder what this will do. On the other hand, whoops. I honestly have no idea why or what this is going to impact, you know? Let's see. Uh-oh, we broke the song again. Marvelous. What happens now? Okay, what happens if I set this to 1? Alright, so if this is a signed value, then something should happen if I set this to the largest negative value. Oh. Guess not. Ball sack. Ooh, you know what I should try and do? I know, I'm getting all over the place again. Where is it?
Dance, dance, revolution.
Oh yeah, that's where it is. Ow. No, that's not what I want. Sound. Decode. Okay. Decode. Decode bag. Bag.
Okay.
However you pronounce that.
Okay. Okay.
I really do. If I can figure out where to find the game without having to create an account. So apparently you do have to jump through a shitload of hurdles.
Dance, dance,
Apparently,
revolution.
you know, you have to jump through a piss load of hurdles, and it really sucks. But if I can get around that,
Oh boy, would I be happy. Because I'd finally be able to get my hands on it, and then I'd finally be able to try and make it work without needing an account, without needing to pay for shit. Pay shit for shit, you know? Alright, let's set this. This mess. I don't want the changes, you douche clopper.
Okay. 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 No!
Whoops, where is set R? Oh wait, I'm an idiot.
Shake that thing.
Yeah, that's absolutely annoying as hell.
Miss Annabella, shake that thing. Yeah, donna, donna.
Fuck off, DDR.
Dance revolution.
There we go. Let's see if this does kind of audio stuff. I think it does. Come on. Scroll, yeah, Dingleberry. Okay.
Select music.
Oh yeah, this is not gonna give me the tech to see
Dance, dance
if this
revolution.
function loads encoded data,
Select
because this is the preview and tracks and the menu music tracks are not encoded or compressed or whatnot.
first stage.
And nope. Ah, ball sack.
Ready? Dance, dance revolution.
Okay, so that. Well, this actually is very useful, I think. Even though the uses of these types in here don't seem immediately useful, I think they might give us insight if we manipulate the numbers a bit in terms of seeing if these apply to similar structures in other games. Sound data index. There's an index table I already know in Max 2, for instance, where the indexes, all the indexes for all the menu sounds and the previous songs and all that stuff. That's probably what this is, the data index. Only problem is Dwarf to CPP doesn't really seem to do well with giving out the addresses for global variables and local variables with hard-coded memory addresses. Which the guy who did this has said, who made Dwarf to CPP, said he is working on another version that will do that, as well as something that's kind of been a thorn in my ass for a little while, and that is properly preserve data types. Anyway, that's not what I wanted to do right here.
Wow, what is this? Oh, okay. I just realized this is a good time. Okay, Bimani. Oh. Use the program I kind of whipped together to go through dwarf debugging data because it can give me the addresses I need for these. Find C DDR. Here we go. Aha, there we go. Come on, node cunt. Exactly what we needed. Oh, well, it's not perfect. I don't have the get sound data index address, which is a real pain in the ball sack because I really need that, especially if I'm gonna define the equivalent data types in other DDR games that have them. Piss flakes. Ooh. There's a lot more sound functions I need to define too. This will also give us a good chance to fuck with a lot of stuff. I hope. Potentially, I'm thinking we could do a long-term idea to try to work towards. Do a software-based equivalent to the bootleg extremes speed modifiers, which worked in that version by overclocking the 573 CPU. I honestly do believe that you don't need to do that in order to have an equivalent function. In fact, training mode shows you that you can do that. Training mode and the code in it shows that you can absolutely do that. You just have to find a way to make it so you can access those types of options from a normal game mode, you know?
Dance, dance, revolution.
Wow.
Dance, dance, revolution. Select a style.
Still my favorite menu music. I don't know. I feel like a dork that I can't explain why. It just is, I guess. What is this? SD bit RB to conj. It's good too. I like it too. I just personally have, this is my preference. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah.
Dance, dance, revolution.
Whoops. No, 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 no. Not that. I don't want the...
Dance, dance, revolution.
There we go.
Select a style. Select music. First stage.
And... Nope.
Are you ready?
That's a pain in the ass. It didn't do anything I thought it would. Well. Come on. Use the iToy. Fuck that. Yeah, screw that. Seriously, I don't want to use your goddamn iToy. Stop making me have to tell you every time that I don't want to use your goddamn iToy. Sound data. SD, I assume, stands for sound data. At least I think it does. I hope it does. And I hope I'm not proven to be a dum-dum by thinking it does. Craft MDL. What? Craft first. First what? Craft first what? What the fuck is this? What is this first that it is? Wait, that's odd. This is the Extreme 2 prototype. For some reason, Ghidra. D1760 showing SD, showing this as the function name, and it's, oh wait, I'm an idiot. I thought I only saw, oh, god damn it. I must be more tired than I thought. But seriously, I could have sworn that the function that was being shown was not the same one I was trying to look at. So I thought it was showing me a completely different function at the same address, which was really making me kind of wig out a little, you know? Seriously, one of those days, one of those moments where just for a moment you feel like your brain just entered the Twilight Zone and just decided to throw up on itself. SDFFT core. God, there's so much. Do I really want to right now go and set all of these functions by hand? Yeah, I'll put that off a little bit. For a second, I thought I'd found something that would have been very interesting. Common. Yes. spell main? Overlay main. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. I didn't figure that one out. Ooh, for initializing the Dance Master mode overlay.
Dance, dance, revolution.
Yep. Works as expected.
Select the style. Dance, dance, revolution.
And I think I just broke it. I just broke the game. Whoops. I broke it. Ballsack. Pre-read. So they're separate. So I'm going to assume that the overlay object itself has a bunch of function pointers for the initializing, the step, the pre-read, the terminating, and then there's a whole list of functions for specific modes.
Dance, dance, revolution. Dance, dance, revolution.
What that was. That was odd. What the hell function is that? Aha, here we go. Main overlay.
Select the style.
Yeah, that's not as interesting as I thought it would be. Didn't iToy support in PCSX2 only really recently get added? Or am I misremembering? That's why I'm stuck wondering. Oh, what is this? Title demo. Ooh.
Okay. Okay.
CI
Okay.
Ruby set deck tag.
Okay. No!
have a feeling this has to do with that movie. Ooh. That's interesting.
Dance Dance Revolution. Dance Dance.
Hmm. Oh, wow. I just broke the background bit, the movie. The movie is having a stroke. The movie is having a stroke. That was stupid. I'm just glad the emulator didn't crash.
Dance Dance.
Oh, wow. The audio is still playing.
Dance Dance Revolution.
Work tag. Okay. Yep. For its time, I would say it definitely was futuristic as hell.
Okay. 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 No! Dance Dance.
All right, let's see what happens if I mess around with the data values here. What happens to the... Oh! Oh, that looks awful! Oh my god.
Dance Dance Revolution.
Let's see what happens if I give it just a slight address change or slight value change. Well, at least the emulator didn't crash this time. Oh, damn. Actually, that was really lucky that the emulator didn't crash. Ooh. Ooh, this gives me... There's some promise here. Title... Come on. No, I don't want to change it. That's why I hit dismiss, you fucking cunt.
Dance Dance Revolution.
So let's see. So I assume that this is called right when the movie is played. It seems obvious. Oh, no, it isn't. Is it? $14,592 bytes. Hold on. It's nuns. I hate Ghidra doing this. I can't rename these or retype these fucking things. Because Ghidra, you are retarded. Why can't I rename the Ghidra, you fucking douche clapper. Ooh, that's actually really neat. There you go. That should get my frustration out. Seriously, what the fuck is this? We already know what this is. Yeah, you're right. Type. you you got me there. It would be especially cool if I could retype and manipulate this variable. And because I would like to see what happens if I manipulate the stack, the size of the stack here. The size of the array that's put on the stack variable here, I mean, there. Mm-hmm. This is really annoying. Wait, I want to see. Any references to this in hexadecimal? Ooh. Oh. Oh, hell yes. Look at it. I believe this function is. Let me take a gander in Ghidra for a sec. It's going to do something with this exact address. I think. Let me see. Is that Hold on, let me go backwards. All right. It's something that manipulates this with the size of the buffer from uh from the function that plays the video. That's awesome. So there is. Wait, what? Are you kidding? That's kind of cool, actually. You know? Hold on. There's one thing I gotta do about this that's bugging the shit out of me right now. Yep, that's better. Actually, maybe that wasn't a good idea. Wait, 6ED0? On. I'll mess with that later. Alright, let's get back to this. I've already just narrowly avoided crashing the emulator a few times. God damn. This is pretty coming along nicely. It's amazing how if I remember correctly from looking at all the functions that IDA and Ghidra found in these disassemblies, the Extreme 2 prototypes debugging data covers like something like 60 something % of all the functions, which is an incredible amount. You know, it really is. You know, ooh, that would be really cool. Oh man, you missed it yesterday. Speaking of games like that, and like having games within games, like with Roblox and that shit. Yesterday, I was playing TF2, and I ran into people I hadn't seen in years, whom we all used to play on the same Garage Mod servers, and it was holy shit, was the nostalgia strong. For lack of better words, I think I practically nerdgasmed all over the stream. Whoops, set data type, back to code. There we go. It was just so cool. Ooh, title, movie, place, start. We've almost got all these functions defined. Well, that's a pain in the ball sack.
I really hate that I can't modify these stack variables or these some of these other variables, and it makes me just want to just be pissy and annoyed, you know, because it just kind of goes against the idea of trying to make this kind of a not the biggest pain in the ass process. I really am nervous about working on manipulating these video demos because of the fact that it just seems so easy to do something that fucks things up bad enough where the emulator will just crash. This thing is so unstable. I only use it still because while the debugging features in PCSX2 have gotten a lot better over the years, there's still some stuff missing. I mean, I heard that they recently added the ability to actually search for data of various types, which PCSX2 disc has had for a long time. Still one thing that's still kind of that there's still a couple of things are missing. Like, for example, I like this, like being able to have the project here that labels all the functions and has data structures defined and all that stuff. Play the anime. P. Play anime step init. Oh, I already defined that function, didn't I? Drat. Didn't. Wow, it's already past midnight. So let's see where this function gets triggered.
Dance Dance Revolution. Dance Dance Revolution.
Yes, I'm aware I have turbo enabled.
Select the style. Select music. First stage. Are you ready? Let's review your soul.
Yeah. When- yeah. Amen.
Dance Dance Revolution.
I can't really test the iToy stuff because I'm still running a version that has no support for iToy. Bummer. It would be really cool to. I'm running a version of PCSX2, I mean. Alright, display. Demo. Oh, no, I was already. Damn. I already went through that. Play. That's interesting. Looks like there was functionality for online play mode. Set steps? No. I really do hope that someday we get more prototypes and demos that have more debugging data left in them. It would definitely make things a real breeze. But I can dream, right? I had that open. Okay, let's go to play. Okay, let's see if course list. Oni, however the fuck you pronounce it. Course list. Oh wait, I'm trying to remember if I remembered to do a dump of all the addresses and stuff for the various versions of the game that I've just found demo disc versions for. Alright, so yeah, it looks like I did. Or not really, because my program crashed. This didn't even output anything. Ugh, ball sack. Oh yeah, and I didn't even do the prototype. The demo for Dancing Stage Fusion. There was this prototype, and then there was another demo. One of the OPM, the official PlayStation 2 magazine demo discs, games, PlayStation 2 executables, originals. Let's see. Aha, there it is. I haven't touched Fortnite in a long while. I feel like someday I'm gonna want to. But for now, knee sort of. Ah, bruh. Hold on. Programming. Ah. Open this project.
definitely good to know. Hold on, let me see. Oh, no wonder the fucking thing crashed. Like an idiot. It's a single element array. Okay, let me open this up with, oh. Whoops. That's MW, der. Okay, there we go. Select all the debugging data from this demo of Dancing Stage Fusion. Save as. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is this. That. And it didn't work. Ah, piss flakes. Yeah, it saved absolutely nothing. That's weird. If on the other hand we were to try this with one of the prototypes for the US version of Extreme, would it work? Yeah, it worked. So I don't know why the hell this is crashing. It's so weird. It is so freaking bizarre. Let's see if the OPM issue 62 demo disk for DDR Max will work. And it worked. Son of a bitch. Or no, it didn't. Oh, wait. That wouldn't be why. What happens if I comment out this check? It says it has none. That is odd. Because it's obvious that there are fucking entities in here. It's interesting. Oh, I'm fucking retarded. OMG, I am fucking retarded. I think I just figured out what went wrong. Holy shit. Okay, did this save? Yeah. So now for the output. Okay. Hey, it worked! Now we've got from that demo disk all the functions and if I change what I filter through here, I can show also global variables and local variables with hard-coded addresses. But yeah, Jesus Christ, I was like, fuck me, that was like some serious brain damage moment for me. Like, oh wow, a bunch of demo functions. I don't know how many of those I've seen before or not. I have to remember this is for the US version, the OPM issue 62 demo of the US DDR Max, not the retail release of the US DDR Max or the demo disc. Different. I'm just glad I found it because some of these demo discs I just totally forgot about existing. Why the hell would... Okay, this is... That's so weird. Why would these entities be saved with absolutely no data at all? What did I do to mess that up? Nah, I don't think I could. I don't think I'd want to really either, as interesting as it could be, you know. Alright, let me just... Here we go. MetroWorks Code Warrior. See what that's saved as. Dwarf die entities. uh Alright, so here we go. We got, let me get rid of that and that. What the actual fuck? HXD, are you fucking retarded? What the actual shit tickler is? Are you fucking retarded? Yes, I'm calling a hex editor retarded. No, I don't give a fuck. Because it is being that. There we go. Now. See if this worked. Well. Damn. Morph dynasties. What the actual fuck? Ballsack. What in the fuck is going on here? Okay, I'm an idiot. Okay, I'm definitely being a fucking dumbass on that one. And it now just decided to take a shit of itself. Segment fault. Okay, let's go back here. This is actually getting really frustrating. It's obvious there are fucking debugging data entities in here. Get rid of all these 0 kilobyte and 1 kilobyte files. It's really annoying. See how many? 15 files with dwarf die entities. In terms of executables, here. We close out of this because that's
It is 433. 3, 1, 3. A lot of 29, 28. There's definitely more than 15 that have debugging data in them. This is interesting, actually. Hold on, let me see. Sixth mix. Oh, wait, why didn't I think of this before? I can just do this. Open it up in the hex editor. Go there. Get the start of all the die entities. That. Control X. Control V. Control S. Be safe. I can do this. Now. That's weird. I don't understand. What is going wrong here? Oh wait, no, I was in the correct folder. Dwarf die entities here. I mean, SixMix doesn't have a lot of debugging data to begin with. It just has some of the CodeWarrior library GCC wrapper functions, but that's still a non-zero number of things, a non-zero number of entities. I don't get it. This is really getting annoying, but I'm stubborn. I ain't gonna be giving up. Right, Dancing Stage Fever. Try this again. Rename this. Open in the hex editor. Whoops. That is actually legitimately pretty fascinating. You know, the idea of crypto, I think, was interesting. It's just something I could never really get into. But even with that, I think that particular application for crypto is pretty neat. Okay, I'm an idiot. No, actually, I don't think I'm an idiot. Apparently, without asking, HXD gives me the entire path. That would explain why there we go! Yeah, I wrote it so that when you get the functions, you get the size of the functions too.
Now, with that said, see if this will work now. Nope. That is absolutely... That is weird. So it's showing that it has a lot of debugging data entities right there, but not doing anything except returning with a segmentation fault. What a pain in the balls. Seriously, what the hell? Let's see if this will work. If this will give us what we want. It will just crash like before. Or actually give us a whole list of debugging data entities. Oh wait, I forgot. This is... Wait. That was a version that didn't have data in it. No wonder I didn't find shit in it. Fever, Fusion. Enough messing around with this. Actually, I think that it's almost 1 in the morning. I should probably sign off for tonight. But hopefully by next time I'll have more of this figured out so we can do some more interesting stuff. And kind of went off the rails. That's my bad. But until then, I wish you all a happy good night. Get some sleep, unlike my dumbass. I'm probably not going to. And I'll see you all next time, as always. Thank you for watching. I hope you all had fun. Stay classy, stay sassy, be smartassy, but not too gassy. People still don't like that. Maybe in the future, I can't tell you how far in the future. Riley. I'll do that eventually, though. But until then, I shall sleep. I shall sleep you next time. I shall see you next time. Actually, you know what? Riley, I'll probably get on Discord if you wanna still communicate. But for the rest of y'all, I'll see you all next time.